Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this Roman Candle Podocarpus. I covered Mood Ring Podocarpus about a month ago, which is also a Southern Living plant collection variety, same as this one. But this one has this beautiful variegated foliage. And if you're looking for something that's upright, you know, it has an upright, narrow habit that's disease resistant and deer resistant and just pretty much a very low maintenance plant, this is an excellent choice, and it is super showy. Let me give you a close-up of this. So I hope it shows up how beautiful the variegation is on this Roman Candle Podocarpus. It's a stunningly beautiful plant. You can see it from a mile away. It's hardy in zone 7B to 10. My guess is if you put it on a foundation area, on a corner of a foundation, you could probably get away with it in 7A, just not out in open space where the wind will beat it up in the wintertime. It's going to get some size on it over time. It can get 10 to 15 feet in height and 4 to 6 feet in width, but it'll be easy to shear it back smaller than that. It could be tree formed as well. You can limb it up from the bottom and create a little tree form out of it as well. So this Roman Candle Podocarpus is definitely going to be a full sun plant, or as close to full sun as you can get to have the best white and yellow new foliage on it. Moist, well-drained soil. I say this in so many videos. If you have clay soils, mound it up a little bit. Really kind of an industrial plant. I don't think you're likely to hurt it. I wouldn't want to be in a flooded space though. If you have sandy soils, you mix in some compost or something that will hold some moisture in place. It can be sheared in the late winter, same as many other plant varieties, and fertilized at the exact same time if you want to. And I would encourage you to fertilize this. The more that little bit of shearing you do will create additional branching that will give you additional color, because the best color on this plant's in the new growth, and the fertilizing of it at the same time will also encourage some of that new growth into spring. Just fertilize it once in the late winter. But if you're looking for a super tough, upright, narrow plant that you could use as a screen, or you could use as a container, or if you want to make a tree form that's interesting that none of your neighbors would ever have, you can find one, with a central leader on it and limb it up over time into a small tree. Great container plant as well. Probably not a great container choice in zone 7, but zone 8 or 9 or 10 would be a good container choice. In zone 7, I think it would freeze. You'd end up with some root damage if it stayed frozen too long in the winter time. But I definitely wanted to show you these. I'd show you that Mood Ring Podocarpus a few weeks ago. Also beautiful, upright, narrow habit. This is Roman Candle, and there's another one that Southern Living Plant Collection has called PRUNE, and I'll do that one very soon as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thanks again.